So hi, hello everyone. Just we coming back something with today with new haircut which is called like butterfly haircut. And also you heard about in thumbnail very clearly. In last time my client somewhere else to messed up the haircuts, so I'm just reconnecting with completely towards to the butterfly haircut. Is something like transformation layers and pretty easy to understand these haircuts. And just we in this haircut we are not giving any one length haircut at all. We just directly start by the layers from the crown section. You can just see the step by step each and everything. Please watch till the end, you can just understand proper haircut, and you will be seeing this last to last moment. I have something surprise bonus for you. I hope you all are understanding this video, and the previous videos also I'm just getting very good supports and good comments on it. I'm just really thankful that and I'm just thankful you guys to be reconnecting with a lot of people for education purpose. I'm really happy and just pretty much excited for a gathering for the new people and just education skills and just professional haircuts techniques. And also so the crown section we just fringes separated, and we just taking to the box section. In this we didn't take any horseshoe section, just box section we just separated in the crown portion. And you can just see step by step each and every part and just point to point. It's just very fine your guideline you can just use to see in these haircuts. These haircuts, I'm just because of you for your purpose, I'm just putting an effort with a point to point, pin to pin, and just small section, and just picking in the hair and just cutting according to that neat and clean finishing, because of everyone has to be understand very easy and like clear way to any haircuts to do. So that is my major concern for you guys, and hope you all are understand. Top section got separated, and just side sections also we're just separating, and back also we're just giving to separating for subsections. And in the subsections you can just see the where it will be start from the guideline and how it will be going to be distributed and parallelly, and entire haircut how it will be going to be carry forward and finishing, and small changes it will be give a big difference in these haircuts. And you'll be so surprised in these haircuts to see the what is comes to be end of the day, the like a boom, like blast styling, and just changing up to the like techniques and all. You can just see my sections also and just explaining by the client, and also and just taking to the front guidelines to be the center one. I'm just releasing and just taking from there from as guideline, just distributing with the pivoting section, help up through comb balls. I'm just showing you guys. So now just I took with first section, I need to check with where got messed up to the haircut. So accordingly I need to be take to the next guideline, and just had to be layers to take it carry forward. I'm just taking to the diagonal power forward to my fingers, and just see the crown portion up to the fine ear guideline, and just start from there to distributing overall the sectioning. From the left side I'm just taking to the horizontal section, the one when I dividing. From the right side I'm just taking to the vertical section. Why I do take that things, you can just see the end finishing results very clearly. So always I'm just lifting to the diagonal forward to my fingers. My intention is very clear, I need to save the back length and just as much as create a front forward to the layers. So that is my major concern. And also if you have any doubts regards for the haircut, please let me know comments below. I'll definitely try to clarify for you, and just I can also update myself to be how to improve my skills also. Get an opportunities like that to change. So I told you that at left side I just take to the horizontal section, from the right side I'm just taking to vertical sections. You can see with clearly vision in completely how I'm just taking to the haircut sectioning, and just finding my previous guidelines to be get a connect with the again fresh layers. So there I got to my guideline, and just rest of the hair going to be connect. and taking to the one more section and just reconnecting with completely to the layers. So that easy, that simple to do haircut. Please, if you can get a kind of clients to be messed up somewhere else to the haircuts, they want to be proper haircut without compromise the length, I could like to be suggest this is one of the best haircut. Now I'm just distribute the guideline from the left side. I just I release the like left section. I'm just adding to the vertical bases up to the elevating to the layers. You can just see my fingers are completely slightly diagonal forward to rest of the hair, adding the connecting to the layers. So that easy to understand. And now I came to the right section and just releasing with same and I'm just reconnecting with a previous guideline. I'm just take and just vertical base I'm just taking and just rest of there reconnecting for the layers. So one more section I just picked, just carrying forward same, and one more section I'm just going to be take the last section. Now I release the back portion. From the back also I'll just take with the only pivoting sections overall, and another section also I'm going to be released too, and the crown section and just small section I'm just taking as a guideline. The rest of the hair I released. You can just see I'm not going to be add any basic one length haircut. I just directly start to the layering. My guideline is crown portion and the rest of the hair I'm just connecting in help up to the layers. However, it will be travel to the hairline. According to that I'm just taking to the down slightly. I'm just sliding down also. I'm just adding the layers. I'm not now I just take to the diagonal section. The same thing I'm just taking as. Now I can just see completely just connecting to the help of layering. The previous guidelines was the stationary guideline. I'm just rest of the hair and just connecting on the layers. I'm not over directing anything. So one more section I just take. Same just I connecting help up to the layers. So last more section I'm just going to be add a layers. Now I'm just taking to another side, reconnecting help up to the layers. You can see one more section I picked. Adding the layers. Just connecting. So almost my entire cut is got finished. I'm coming for a fringes. I pick them up and just reconnecting to the fringes. And just before blow dry, just heat protection applying serum, and just start the blow dry, and just taking to the box section for doing the blow dry purpose. I'm just separating to the sections. I'm lifting slowly, just making it straight, and the back bottom portion also I'm just turning towards to the up. I'm just adding the just shiny heat and straight volume, and just locking them and just giving a spiral blow dry overall. Just I'm releasing directly. Why I'm releasing? Because the hair, it's already something, it's chemically treated hair. I don't want to be given more heat, and also it will be more heat, it will be damaged for more. I'm just extra volume purpose, I'm just direct giving to the just directly lifting to the roots opposite to create blow volume in the hair. Just breaking to the small section, I change with the roller as well. Last section, I'm just going to finish the blow dry, very small and thin section. Now come to another side, to that again with just taking to the small section. How much small section we can just pick, that much blower it will become neat and clean finishing. The last section we just picked and lifting up them. Got release, we come back and just directly giving nicely shine and just most adding to the overall all the sides, giving a good shine and heat and giving a nicely blower, twisting inside and just releasing them in. You can just see clearly. And one more section we just took. Now got released, my styling is done. You can just see this is my bonus tips for you, all of you. Just after shaking the layers, you can just see completely the neat, clean, ultimate butterfly layers. You can just see how bouncy and flexible, and you can just see when you can put the ponytail also, it will become top to bottom the layers. You can just see very clearly on it. So this is some specific shots I just took for because of you to be show you guys for something more neat finishing. This is my bonus tips, all of you, and thank you so much for watching this video, for patiently eagerly waiting for the section tips for it. Please let me know comments below in this regards for in my technique, how would you feel, and anything is need to be improved on the haircuts. Definitely we can just change it on according to you. And we just completely finished. We're just adding the texture overall. Slightly I'm just sliding in the hair. So one more section I just take and I picked up. Now I come to the left side. Now to put one more section. I'll take with last section, just I'm going to be finishing the texture. Now I come to the fringes, and during a fit my client was cross checking and just she very much satisfied with the haircut. This is my cut is completely finished, and you can just see the messy layers and just too much of flexible texture on the bottoms.